Yeah, this is what a husband and wife should be doing. I don't own the rights to the music, but this is poetry in motion. I'm out here with no hat, going to take care of something, get me something to eat for breakfast, and then hopefully around 4 p.m. I'll be headed to East New York to capture a little footage of some type of event that one of my friends is part of. So I can't post nothing today on Facebook because I'm restricted until tomorrow. So I guess I'll have to post it on Instagram and just on Facebook Messenger, because every time I post something on Facebook, every 3 things that I post, they restrict me for 3 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. There's always a restriction somewhere or something about my content. That's just kind of crazy. But I won't be on Facebook today. I'll be on IG, but I won't be on Facebook today. That's just crazy. All right. That's what happens, I think it's a strong possibility somebody hacked my Facebook account. So I'm gonna say it like this: everybody, if you ain't got my phone number, I'm not trying to be on Facebook Messenger no more. I'm not trying to be on Facebook at all. My previous Facebook account was hacked. Now this one looked like it's got a glitch or it's hacked because I'm always being restricted. So if you ain't got my phone number, then I don't know what to tell you, because I'm not gonna be on Messenger that much anymore. I'm not gonna be on Facebook Messenger that much anymore. Since I can't post, since I'm always being restricted. So what's the sense of being on Facebook for what? Yeah, Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.